Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital editing with the latest update from DALL-E, which allows us to tweak images after they've been generated. Are you ready to transform a formidable Viking warrior? Then buckle up and let's get started. Let's begin by creating our Viking. I have a description ready to put DALL-E to the test. A Viking warrior standing in a majestic pose, looking towards the horizon. The warrior has a sturdy, muscular build and an expressive face with a thick beard and long hair tied back in a braid. He wears a traditional horned helmet and chainmail under a dark cloak. The armor is adorned with engraved Norse symbols. He is equipped with a battle axe and a round shield. The background features a misty Nordic landscape with snow-capped mountains. The focus is on the realistic detail of the armor texture, face, and accessories, such as the braid and axe. Let's send this request to the powerful ChatGPT for premium and see what happens. The action is about to begin. Here we are with our image. Our Viking looks ready to battle, but let's give him some air. Remove that helmet. With a click on the commands in the upper right, I select the helmet and there it goes. Our warrior now proudly displays his hair blowing in the wind. What a transformation, don't you think? Let's proceed with a bit of flair. How about a splash of blue for that braid? I select the hair, pick blue, and it looks like we've only dyed the braid. A little reminder, being specific with instructions is crucial. Nevertheless, let's enjoy this unexpected twist. Now, let's update the shield. We're aiming for something futuristic, so I select the shield and request a transformation. We wait, and the shield is gone. When working with these technologies, detail matters. Even though it didn't go as planned, there's always a lesson to be learned. Before our grand finale, I tried adding a sun, replacing the axe with a sword, but not everything goes as hoped. Quick overview of these attempts, because the finale deserves all our attention. And now, for a truly epic climax, let's add a red dragon in the sky. Look at that scene. Our Viking not only has a new look, but also an epic new challenge. This is the power of this editing tool. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of image editing possibilities. If so, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment below. Have you ever creatively customized an image? Share your experiences. See you soon for more digital adventures.